Hey, what's up? I just woke up. Real quick, so God showed me something, okay? Right? And this is probably going to be confirmation to you, okay? Or the same thing happened or something similar. God showed me something that was hidden. And thank God that He did, right? And I was wondering for the longest time, well, not for the longest time, but I was wondering certain things, right? I don't want to say what they are, but that doesn't matter. Anyway, I was wondering certain things, right? And I just couldn't put my finger on it, right? But I noticed something, okay? And then the Lord brought it to my attention, right? Somebody's name was mentioned, right, from my past, okay? Uh, Somebody that had done some, pretty messed up things to me, right? And when their name was mentioned, this irritation had risen up in me, right? And it went from irritation to anger, right? And the Lord pointed that out to me, okay? Because in the absence of, you know, the person's name or the people's name or thinking about, what happened, in the absence of it, I didn't notice or see anything, right? But as soon as their name was brought up or something, a situation that happened that happened in the past was brought up, this anger or this irritation or this just negative feelings would arise in me to on my timer. Okay, those are hidden. How do I say it, Holy Spirit? Those are hidden spots that need to be healed. Okay, those are hidden spots that need to be healed. If their name coming up or the thought of them or whatever it is having to do with these people, right, comes up, and you have like an irritation that arises or a certain animosity that rises, right, anything of that nature, okay, God wants us to surrender it before He takes us to this next place. Okay, what's the verse about? You can't pour new wine in old wineskins, right? Because the wineskins will burst, right? That one, right? And some of you might have not known that this was still hidden in your heart, right? I know I didn't. I know I didn't, right? Well, I didn't notice it, right? It had to be brought to my attention, but I'm glad that God brought it to my attention, okay? Um, and he said surrender it, right? Surrender it and allow Him to purge that, right? So let this be a confirmation to any of you that have gone through that or is going through that, and who are just noticing that, right? So if you're just noticing that, this is what that is, okay? Um, and just surrender it to the Lord and let Him purge it, let Him burn it out so He can fill you with new wine, right? All right, beloved. Love you, beloved. Page 444 on the side.